Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 6 ratio applications exercise 2 question number 3 nana. The question is Madhu buys 5 kg of potatoes at the market. Okay, if the cost of 2 kg is rupees 36, how much will Madhu pay? Means what is the cost of 5 kg? Is it clear? 5 kg potatoes cost వచ్చేసి how much? Now I am writing the given data nana. Given the cost of 2 kg is what nana? The cost of 2 kg potatoes is equals to rupees 36. Okay, the cost of 2 kg potatoes is equals to rupees 36. The cost of 5 kg potatoes is equals to, that is we don't know, manaku teliyadu, so that's why I am taking rupees x. What nana? What I taken? Rupees x. Now in previous topic we discussed what nana? Proportion ante entamma? The equality of two ratios. Okay, so now see here 2 kg 5 kg. Okay na, so I am writing this one like this 2:5 because of a ratio has no units. Ratio ki units undavu, but we are comparing, when we are comparing the two quantities, they have the same kind of units undaలి. Okay, so ఈ 2 kg 5 kg ని ఇలా రాస్తున్నా 2:5 is equals to, here 2 kg potatoes cost వచ్చేసి 36. Okay, and 5 kg potatoes cost వచ్చేసి x rupees. So that's why I am writing this one 36 is to x. Why I am not writing kgs and rupees? Because of a ratio has no units. Now see nana, so already I told that the second term and third term, these are called what nana? Means. First term and last fourth term. First term and fourth term, these are what nana? Extremes. Okay, these are extremes. We know what is the required formula? Product of the extremes is equals to product of the means. Okay, now see ma, product of the extremes ante what nana? First term fourth term. Product ante nothing but multiplication. Okay, so that is 2 into x is equals to, next product of the means ante what nana? Second term third term, that is 5 into 36. Okay, now what I am doing here, transposing 2 to RHS side. So ఈ 2ని RHS side transpose చేస్తున్నా, then x is equals to 5 into 36 by, when we are going to transpose an into quantity 2 from LHS to RHS, it becomes what nana? Division quantity. Now 2 1s are 2, 18s are 36. Now x is equals to what nana? That is 5 into 18, that is equals to 90. So therefore we can write how much will Madhu pay. అంటే మధు ఎంత పే చేశాడు? Madhu paid rupees 90. Madhu paid rupees 90 for 5 kg potatoes. Okay ma, so this is the required answer. Okay na students? Okay students, I am going to explain the same problem in unitary method. Okay na? I'm going to explain the same problem. What is the problem, Nana? We know 2 kg potatoes is equals to rupees 36. Then 5 kg potatoes is equals to how much? Yes or no, students? 2 kg potatoes is equals to rupees 36. Then 5 kg potatoes is equals to what? That is the question actually. So in unitary method, first of all we are going to find the one quantity. Okay, now first ఒక క్వాంటిటీకి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. దెన్ వచ్చిన వాల్యూ తోటి రిక్వైర్డ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ క్వాంటిటీస్ని మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, నౌ సీ హియర్ 2 kg potatoes is equals to rupees 36 అయితే 1 kg potatoes is equals to, that is rupees 36 by 2. ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇచ్చాను నేను? 2 kg potatoes is equals to rupees 36. What I written here? I want to first of all 1 kg potato cost. That's why 1 kg potatoes is equals to, that is rupees 36 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 18s are. So we know 1 kg potatoes is equals to rupees 18. Then 5 kg potatoes is equals to what? Means 5 kg potatoes is equals to, that is 5 into rupees 18, means that is what, nana? Rupees 90. So this is also one of the method. Then 5 into 18, 5 kg potatoes is equals to, that is 5 into rupees 18. So that is 5 18s are rupees 90. So this is the another method, that is called what, nana? Unitary method. Okay students, now question number 4, nana. Here given a statement, physics tells us that weights of an object on the moon is proportional to its weights on earth. What, nana? Physics tells us that weights of an object on the moon is proportional to its weight on earth. So this is the data given. Hint. So given question is, a 90 kg man weight 15 kg on the moon. Okay na? Earth meeda, okay na? On the earth a person weight is equals to what, nana? 90 kg. On the moon what, nana? That is 15 kg. అంటే 90 kgs weight ఉన్న ఒక పర్సన్ ఆన్ ద ఎర్త్, తన వెయిట్ వచ్చేసి ఆన్ ద మూన్ ఈజ్ 15 kg. Just like that only, what will a 60 kg woman weight on the moon? 90 kg ఉన్న పర్సన్ వెయిట్ 15 kgs అయితే ఆన్ ద మూన్, ఓకే, 60 kg వెయిట్ ఉన్న పర్సన్, ఓకేనా, ఆన్ ద ఎర్త్, తన వెయిట్ on the moon is equals to what? So this is the question. Now see, according to the given information, weight on the 90 kg is 60 kg. Okay na? Given I'm writing man weight on the earth by that is what, nano? Woman weight on the earth is equals to man weight on the moon by woman weight on the moon. Okay na students? According to the given data, they are proportional అన్నాడు. So what I written? Man weight on the earth by woman weight on the earth is equals to man weight on the moon by woman weight on the moon. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, student. Man weight on the earth is, that is what, Nana? 90 kg by woman weight on the earth is 60 kg is equals to man weight on the moon is 15 kg by woman weight is, we don't know that is I am taking what, Nana? X. Okay na? So kg cancel, units ni cancel చేస్తున్నా. Okay, 90 by 60, I am writing this one like this, 90 is to 60 is equals to 15 by x, I am writing this one, 15 is to x. We know these are what, Nana? Means. And these are what, Nana? Extremes. Okay. So already I told that. What is the formula? Product of the extremes. Product of the extremes is equals to product of the means. Product of the extremes means, that is 90 into x is equals to product of the means, that is 60 into 15. So what I am doing, transposing 90 to RHS side, then x is equals to 60 into 15 by 90. Using 15 table, 15 ones are 15, 15 6 are 90. Again using 6 table, 6 ones are 6, 6 tens are 60. So that is, therefore x is equals to what, Nana? That is 10. Ante the weight x is equals to 10 means a woman weight on the moon. Okay na? A woman weight on the moon is equals to, that is what, Nana? 10 kgs. How many kgs? That is 10 kgs. Ante you try to see clearly. You can simply like this, 1 by 6th of 90 kg, 1 by 6th of 90 kg, 6 ones are 6, 15s are, so that is equals to 15 kg, and 1 by 6th of 60 kg, that is equals to 6 ones are 6 tens are 60, means 10 kg. అంటే ఒక పర్సన్ వెయిట్ ఎర్త్ మీద 90 kgs ఉన్న పర్సన్ వెయిట్ ఆన్ ద మూన్ వచ్చేసి 1/6 ఆఫ్ హిస్ ఒరిజినల్ వెయిట్ ఆన్ ద ఎర్త్. ఇస్ దట్ క్లియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్? సో యూ కెన్ ఫైండ్ లైక్ దిస్ ఆల్సో. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ స్టూడెంట్స్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద రిక్వైర్డ్ సొల్యూషన్. You to take your weight and apply what is you on the earth, then same compare this problem and you to find if your weight on the moon is equals to what. Okay, thank you.